Hello my friend, my name is Peter Mbonyimana. I'm with you in this video where I'm going to show you different techniques that you will use while drawing different shapes of the wall. This is the work of ArchiCAD that you are seeing in your screen. I'm here to tell you that you will do more than this if you continue to be with me in these videos that are being uploaded on my YouTube channel. Okay, you can draw different things like this without knowing different techniques that you may use to draw the wall. Okay, let us proceed by seeing those techniques. I think that you are seeing those icons here in this info box. Okay, you have here 3 or 4. There are 4 icons: the first, second, third, and fourth. Okay, those icons contain different techniques that you may use while drawing different shapes of the wall. Okay, continue to be with me. Let us first of all see different settings of our wall. Okay, double click on this wall icon, then come here and check if you are using basic wall. Here, material that we are using, we can use bricks. Then wall thickness, let us use 20. Height is mostly used. Then outside the face, brick red. Inside the surface, brick red. No, this is an edge surface. Inside the surface is white rough. Then hit OK to continue. Okay, those techniques. Here, click your left click of your mouse and hold it. Then move your cursor to see those different techniques that you can use to draw different shapes of the wall. Okay, this first is where you can use a draw single straight wall. The second is the chained wall. The third is rectangular wall. Then the last is rotated rectangular wall. Then let us click the first as straight wall. Okay, to draw the straight wall, specify the first point, then second point. This is the straight wall. Back to that icon, left click and hold it, then move your cursor to the second technique. This is chained wall. This chained wall, you can use it while drawing the facing. Then first point, second point. Then you continue until you reach at your last point that you need, at which you will want to draw your chained wall. At the last point, we double click in order to end our process. Okay, then back to that icon, left click and hold it, move your cursor to choose rectangular wall. Okay, then first point, second point, you see a rectangular wall. Back to that icon, rotate the rectangular wall. Okay, this is a rectangular wall, so which is drawn at an angle that you specify. Okay, you see that you are being given an angle or shown an angle at which you are drawing your rectangular wall. Okay, then move your cursor to draw a rectangular wall that you need. Okay, let us proceed with curved walls. Geometrical method where we will draw curved walls. Click your left click and hold it, move your cursor to choose the method. Those are 3 methods in which we will draw the curved wall. The first is where we will specify the radius at which we need to draw our curved wall. The second method is where we need to specify 3 points at which our curved wall will pass through. Okay, the last method is in which we will specify 3 points at which our wall will pass through. The difference from this difference between those two last techniques, this one is used to draw the full circular wall, where this can be is used to draw the arc or curved wall. Okay, let us proceed by choosing the first. First, we'll specify the radius as it is shown. Let us write 200 without doing another thing. 200. So then rotate to draw your curved wall. It is drawn at 200 centimeter or 2 meter as radius. Then back to that icon, hold the left click and move to the second method. First point, second point, then third, then move to draw your curved wall. Okay, then proceed to the next technique. Specify 3 points where your circular wall will pass. Okay, this technique will be used while drawing a tank or brick tank. Okay, proceed with the next technique. This is trapezoid wall, where we need to draw trapezoid wall. Trapezoid wall, let me remind you that it have 2 different thicknesses. Then here, that's why you need to set also those thickness. Okay, here this is the first wall thickness, the first end thickness. Here you may also use 30. The second you may use 70. Then hit OK. Then first point, second point. Okay, then let us see the last technique. Okay, this is where we draw the polygonal wall. This polygonal wall will be used if you need to draw like a kiln of bricks. This first point, second point, third point, then until you close your drawing, so the middle part will be full of bricks. This will be used if you need to draw the kiln of bricks. Okay, F3 to see our drawn items in 3D. To rotate, you will use this orbit icon in order to rotate them and see how they looks like. Okay, those was for today. Let us be together in the next video. I remind you to subscribe and leave your comment down so that I may know how you are working together. And here there are my different contacts so that you may talk to me if you need. Thanks. See you next.